Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. In today's video, I will share my top 12 products under rupees 200. These products will be makeup related only, and if you want to see a skincare version of it, do comment down below. Anything that you want to see, comment down below. I would love to do it for you all. And yeah, before starting off with this video, go follow me on my social media handles if you haven't already for more behind the scenes and more content. I upload a lot of IGTVs and stuff over there as well. So yeah, without wasting any minute, let's jump straight into this video. First product in this category would be the Disney Frozen lip gloss. Yes, you can judge me right now, but frankly speaking, this is something I purchased because I wanted a decent gloss and something that was on the affordable range because I don't wear glosses that much. And this was for what, 90 or 99 bucks. I'll leave everything down in the description box below just in case you want to see. So this is apparently having 4 colors, but when you apply it on your lips, it is transparent. Also, you can see glitter specks in this, but on the lips there is absolutely nothing. So you can apply your favorite lipstick and then apply this so that you have your own customized gloss. But frankly speaking, for 99 rupees, I don't think you can ask for anything more. This is amazing and it smells really nice. So go ahead and give this a try if you are somebody who wants to give glosses a try in general. My next product in this category is the Blue Heaven Soft Kajal Eyeliner in the shade green. This is how it looks like. It comes in 2 other variants as well. One is blue and one is black, and it retails for rupees 125 only. Now after 2 swipes, this is how the color looks like. It has pretty decent pigmentation and is smudge free if you rub it very slightly. Like I'm just rubbing it and it is not moving anywhere, but obviously if you are rubbing it pretty hard, this will not resist. Another thing, it performs really well as an eyeliner. That is, if you apply it on top, it stays put for really long, but if you apply it on the waterline after probably 3-4 hours, you will see that it is smudging, which happens with a lot of kajal, I believe. So for 125, I don't think there is anything else a colored kajal can provide. So I really like. Now, due to this COVID situation going around, I believe a person can really highlight their eye feature using makeup, because we all are wearing masks. Although judge me, but I apply lipstick underneath my mask as well, because when I am going out, I really need to look like a diva, at least to me. After that, I will apply mask and go out, nobody is watching, but I have to do that. But for you all, I have an eye product which is by Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade 04 Smoky Storm, and this is how it looks like. It's such a pretty shade. I've completely finished this and somehow managed to swatch this and apply over here as well in my inner corner and the center of the eyelid, and this is amazing. For 199, it is having around 6 to 7 variants. The next are these Miss Claire lip liners. These come in a variety of shades and it retails for rupees 65 only. This is how the swatches look like. Also, these take forever to complete. This one's L21 Snow Pink, this one is L17 Dark Chocolate, and this one is L43 Kiss Rose. Now these are these take a little bit of effort while applying. Now what do you expect? It just retails for 65. It is amazing, although, and if you are a college goer or somebody who wants an affordable lip liner, please go ahead. You can actually purchase a variety of shades and still it wouldn't hurt your pocket. So I really like these. If you're an OG subscriber, you would have guessed by now that my video will have the Blue Heaven Splash Super Matte Lipstick. Do you see this? Do you see this? I have managed to complete 3 to 4 lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, mind you. And this one's almost finished. This is the swatch. I can't tell you how much I love this range. I so wish that Blue Heaven comes out with more new shades, but the current ones are also amazing. Something you should definitely consider if you are looking for an affordable lipstick option. rupees 175 only, and you can always find this on discount. So I really like this. And this shade is Chocolate Mood. My next product in this category is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 06 Clairvoyant, and it has a quantity of 5.6 grams and it retails for rupees 199 only. Now the only sad part about this liquid concealer is the shade range. It is not that versatile and it comes in only 6 shades, this being the darkest. And here's the swatch. I know this is very shocking, I mean this can't be the darkest, but this is the case. If you can find your shade in this range, nothing like it. It has a medium coverage and you can use it on an everyday basis. It's pretty lightweight, so I really like how this looks on my skin. Just in case you can find your shade, go ahead and give this a try. My next product is by Blue Heaven. It's the Sapphire Makeup Translucent Powder. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in 3 different shades. My shade is Natural. From inside it has a puff, which is, I mean, you can use it. There is a sticker right here which you can remove and just take out the product. So it's pretty hygienic that ways. For 125, I don't think there is any better loose powder that I can recommend. Now this is not super finely milled, but this is something that can get the job done. So yeah. So my next product is something I really like and I wear it pretty often. It is the NYBay Deep Intense Kohl Eye Pencil in the shade Bronze. Now there are, I guess, 6 to 7 shades in this range, but I like this one the most and I wouldn't recommend this as a kohl, although I will recommend this as an eyeliner. Like, I just apply this and it instantly just makes the look quite put together. This is how the swatch looks like. Such a pretty olive bronzy shade. I mean, has a sheen to it. It is amazing and it retails for just 85 and you can always find this one also on discount. So yeah, I really like it. The next product is by Lakme. It's their Insta Liner in the shade Black. Now this comes in other color variants as well and it retails for just rupees 130. Now, not a big fan of the packaging or the wand that it comes with, but the pricing is amazing for the quality of eyeliner. It is totally jet black and is smudge proof. I am not a eyeliner person. I like kohl more than eyeliners, but I definitely see myself repurchasing this. Much as I love applying nail paints, I just hate the process of removing them until I found this product, which is by Color Bar. It's their nail paint remover, which retails for rupees 125 for 100 ml, and you just need a cotton pad and one dip. That's it. It's sufficient to remove all the nail paint, like from both the hands. This is less quantity and more effective. That's how I can explain. And last 2 products are makeup tools, and the first one is by Vega. It's their makeup brush cleaner. Now this is how it looks like. You can just put in your finger and take your brush and whatever liquid you use to clean your brush and just rub it against this. Now this has a lot of uneven surface and rough edges, so it ends up cleaning the brush really nicely. Brush cleaning will never be a pain. My last product is something you have seen in my makeup videos and I love that. I cannot do without this. Like, my brow game has changed since the time I'm using this. This is by Filoni. It's their mascara brush. You can use it as a mascara brush, but I like to use it to just comb out my brows, and this retails for just 90 bucks, and I mean, I'm using it since 1 year and nothing has happened. It's amazing. You can just easily clean it with rubbing alcohol, or you can just wash it like your makeup brushes. It is amazing. You can definitely give this a try for your brows. With that, I finished my top 12 under 200 rupees video. I thoroughly enjoyed creating this. Do let me know if you want to see more such videos in the near future. And if you did like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.